I hope your dashboard looks like this after installing your WordPress in your web hosting. To look good, just go to the screen options at the top right corner and uncheck all the things that appear on the screen. Now it looks clean. This is the post section. This is the default Hello World post. This is the media section. Here, all blog images, videos, and other media will appear. Here you can add or delete images, videos, GIFs, etc. This is the pages section. All pages of your blog will appear here. This is the comments section. Your fans, followers, visitors, or whoever comments, that comments will appear here. This is the appearance section. Here, you can add or change themes for your blog. This is the plugins section. Here, you can add your required plugins. This is the users section. Here, you can add more users to your blog and give some roles to them like subscribers, authors, but you must be an admin. Don't give admin role to anyone. This is the tools section. This is the settings section of WordPress. Your website looks like this. Before building a blog or website, you must change some settings. Now, we will see what are the settings we have to change. This is the general module of the settings section. Give your site title here. Mine is King Dollar Solutions. If you observe, above the top left side, the title is changing. Give your tagline for your site. Mine is Find Multiple Sources of Income. Depending on your blog requirement, you can check or uncheck for membership. Anyone can register. New user default role. If you observe, there are many roles like subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. But new user default role must and should be a subscriber. Don't change this to admin. Site language. Choose your site language here. In what language you are developing your site. These are the available languages for your site. Time zone. Give your country time zone here. For example, if you are from the United Kingdom, give your UK time zone. If you don't know the time zone, just Google it. After Googling, you come to know that your time zone is UTC +1:00. Select it. For example, if you are from India, give your India time zone. If you don't know the time zone, just Google it. After Googling, you come to know that your time zone is UTC +5:30. Select it. Like this, choose your country's time zone. Date format. If you observe on the screen, many formats are there. Based on your country or interests, select it. Time format, same as above. Depending upon your country or interest, select it. Week starts on Monday. Don't forget to click on Save Changes. Now coming to the writing section. Here, there is no important thing to change. This is the reading module of the settings section. Right now, we are not changing anything here, but after adding some posts and pages, we need to come here and do some changes. This is the discussion module of the settings section. Here, you should carefully change the settings, depending on your requirement. Default post settings. Uncheck the Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. Uncheck the Allow link notifications from other blogs, pingbacks, and trackbacks on new post. If you do not uncheck this, it will disturb like anything. More spammy comments will appear to your email. Other comment settings, depending on your requirement. You can check or uncheck the comment author must fill out name and email. Other boxes looks good. Email me whenever. Uncheck the anyone posts a comment. If you do not uncheck, if anyone comments on a post will appear to your mail inbox. Starting, it's good to see and read comments. But later, the time goes on, it's boring, and it wastes your valuable time. Depending on your requirement and interest, you can check or uncheck this. Uncheck this. A comment is held for moderation. Before a comment appears, depending on your thinking, you can check or uncheck the comment must be manually approved. If you check this, you can have complete control of what comments should appear in your blog post. If you uncheck this, you don't have any control over what comments appear in the blog post. Whatever the people comments, it's good or bad, will appear. Comment author must have a previously approved comment. This also depends on your thinking. You can check or uncheck avatars. For users without a custom avatar of their own, you can either display a generic logo or a generated one based on their email address and click Save Changes. This is the media module of the settings section. Here, there is nothing to change. Let's leave it like that for now. This is the permalink module of the settings section. Common settings. Here, if you observe, there are many choices like plain, day and name, month and name, numeric, post name, common structure. This is the one that displays as your post URL in the browser's tab. Choose a post name because it is understandable to people what your post is about, and it is also the best choice from an SEO point of view. And then click Save Changes. This is the privacy module of the settings section. As a website owner, you may need to follow national or international privacy laws. For example, you need to create and display a privacy policy page. I discussed this in Chapter 8 FAQ section. What are the important pages that every WordPress blog should have? As of now, leave it like this. Later, after creating the privacy policy page of your blog, you come to this module and change your privacy policy settings. This is the user section. Here you can add as many as users with the roles of the subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and of course, you are the administrator. Once again, I am reminding you, don't give administrator role to anyone. This is the plugin section. Just clear all the given plugins by selecting the plugin checkbox. Click on Bulk Actions, select Deactivate, and click on Apply button. Again, select the plugin checkbox, click on Bulk Actions, select Delete, and click on Apply button. Now it's empty. Looks good. As per your requirement, you can add as many as plugins you want later. This is the Appearance section. Select Themes module. Depending on your WordPress version, by default, some themes will be available. In WordPress, we can explore plenty of themes, depending on your niche, like a food blog, gym blog, news blog, gardening blog, teaching blog, etc. Select the perfect theme for your blog. As of now, I am taking the Astra theme as an example. It is very flexible to designing and plugins point of view. Type Astra in the search box. Yes, it is here. Now, click on Install. After installing, don't forget to activate it. Now, go to the plugin section. Click on Add New. Search for starter templates. $1 million plus active installations. The growing library of 300 plus ready-to-use templates that work with all WordPress themes, including Astra. Click on Install. And click on Activate. Starter Templates is all-in-one solution for complete starter sites, single-page templates, blocks, and images. This plugin offers the premium library of ready templates and provides quick access to beautiful Pixabay images that can be imported in your website easily. Now, click on See Library. Select Page Builder, and it is flexible to Elementor, Gutenberg, Beaver Builder, Brizy. Here, I am using Elementor for this blog as an example. Select Free at the top all navigation. Here, I am selecting one of the themes available. After selecting, click on Import Complete Site. The import process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the sites and the speed of the connection. Imported successfully. Now, visit site. Your website looks like this. Now, we will see how to edit the page with Elementor. Click on Edit with Elementor. With Elementor, it is very easy to change the page as per our requirements. Click on the text, which we need to change, on the left side. After clicking on the text, we can do modifications for that text by giving the title, adding a link, changing size, changing HTML tag, alignment, and more in the Style section. I am changing Sierra Natural Park to King Dollar Solutions. In the Styles section, we can change text color, typography, text shadow, blend mode. We can replace images too. Click on the image and click on Choose Image on the left-hand side. Upload your image, give all text and description for that image, and click on Insert Media. How to change page names. Click on the Pages section. Select all pages. Select a particular page you want to change. Click on Quick Edit. Change the title of that page and click on Update. To see the modifications, visit site. How to create your own page. Click on the Pages section. Select Add New. Give the title for that page. Choose a featured image for that page. Click on Publish. Click on View Page. The page looks like this. click on the Edit page. Click on Edit with Elementor. Click on the plus icon, which appears left side on the screen. Select your structure. It defines how many columns are needed for that section. Now, click on the above plus section. On the left-hand side, all elements will appear like heading, image, video, text editor, etc. We have to drag the text editor widget on the left-hand side to the plus section. Already, we have content for the page. Now, copy that page content and paste it on the left-hand side of the Elementor. Now, start changes to the page, like changing headers, adding images, for getting proper structure. After completion, click on Update in the bottom left-hand side of the Elementor. And if you want to see the changes, click on the Preview Changes icon, which is left to the update. If you want to add an image, click on Add Media on the left-hand side. Upload the image, give alt text and description, and click on the Insert Media button. Like that, you can add as many images as per the requirement of your page. Now, select Style for your page, that is text color, typography, text alignment. on the update and see the changes. Remember one thing, Elementor is good for designing responsive to desktop, tablet, and mobile modes. Check your changes in the responsive mode, which appears on the bottom left-hand side of Preview Changes. Click on Responsive Mode. Observe the changes in desktop, tablet, mobile modes. Definitely, the font size has to change based on the device. Click on Typography, which appears in the Style section, and change text size as per your convenience in each and every mode. Like this, made changes to image sizes, header sizes, spacing, padding, etc. based on your requirement. Once you feel comfortable with the design of all the devices, click on Update. How to create a post. Click on the Post section. Select all posts. Click on Add New. Give title. Click on Publish. It looks like this. We have to follow the same procedure for creating posts, like creating the page. Click on Edit Post. Click on Edit with Elementor. Click on the plus section. On the left-hand side, all elements will appear like heading, image, video, text editor, etc. We have to drag the text editor widget on the left-hand side to the plus section. Already, we have content for the post. Copy that post content and paste it on the left-hand side of the Elementor. Now, start making changes to the post, like changing headers, adding images, forgetting proper structure. After completion, click on Update, and if you want to see the changes, click on the Preview Changes icon, which is left to the update. If you want to add an image, click on Add Media on the left-hand side, upload the image, give alt text and description, and click on the Insert Media button. Like that, you can add as many images as per the requirement of your post. Now, select a style for your post, which is text color, typography, text alignment. Click on Update and see the changes. Click on Responsive Mode. Observe the changes in desktop, tablet, mobile modes. Make changes like font sizes, image sizes, header sizes, spacing, padding, etc. based on your requirement. Once you feel comfortable with the design of all the devices, click on Update. This is exactly the same procedure as page creation. Now, we will create another post. Here, we apply the same procedure as the above one. As of now, we created 2 posts. How to add blog posts to a separate page. Now, we create one page with the name of blog. Go to the Settings section, Reading module. Here, we have to select the Posts page. We need to assign posts to the blog page. Click on Save Changes. See the output on the website. Our 2 posts came to the blog page. Like that, how many posts you create, automatically all posts come to this page. This is the Media section. Here, you can add or delete images, videos, GIFs, PDFs, docs, all media files to your blog. If you want to delete a particular image, click on that image. Click on Delete Permanently. Once you delete it, that file no longer exists in WordPress. That means permanent deletion. If you want to delete multiple images, select List Mode in the top left of the Media library. Select the particular images or files you want to delete. Click on Bulk Actions at the top. Click on Delete Permanently and finally click on Apply. If you want to add an image or any other media file, click on Add New at the top. Upload the file to WordPress. How to use Customize Global Typography Settings. Click on Appearance, select Customize. If you observe, maximum settings for WordPress will appear here, including header, footer, menus, and many more. From here, you can also change the theme of your WordPress site. Observe at the top left of the screen, the active theme is Astra. If you want, you can modify it. You can change it from here. How to change the typography of the blog. Click on Global. Click on Typography. See Body, Font Family, Variants, Font Sizes, Line Height, Margins. All changes you can make from here as per your convenience. What changes you are doing on the left-hand side. Instantly, the changes appear on the screen. Like that, make all the changes you want. Once you are comfortable with the changes, click on Publish button at the top of the screen. observe, at the bottom side, desktop mode, tablet mode, mobile mode are present. From here, you can control which elements have to display or which elements have to hide in desktop, tablet, and mobiles. How to use customized global color settings. Click on Colors. From here, you can change the theme color, link hover color, heading color, text color, site background, and content background. Same as above. Start making changes. Instantly, the changes appear on the screen. Once you are comfortable with the changes, click on Publish button at the top of the screen. How to use customized global container settings. Click on the container. Usually, I prefer container width 1140px. For layout, I choose full width, contained. For the page layout, I left it default. For the blog post layout, I choose boxed. For the archives layout, I choose boxed. Note, use as per your convenience and interests. These are not mandatory settings. After choosing, don't forget to click on Publish button at the top. How to use customized global button settings. From here, you can change the button text color, button background color, button border width, button border color, button border radius, button fonts, button padding. Same as above. Start making changes. Instantly, the changes appear on the screen. Once you are comfortable with the changes, click on Publish button at the top of the screen. Don't forget about the desktop, tablet, mobile modes. how to use Customize Header Builder settings. Click on Header Builder. From here, you can modify the header, site title, and logo. Button, primary menu. Click on the site title. Change the logo of your website. You can also change the logo width. Click on the site icon. Change the site icon with yours. Site icon is nothing but which is displayed at the top of the tab beside your site title. After completion of all header settings, click on Publish button. How to use Customize Breadcrumb and Blog Settings. Click on Breadcrumb. Choose Header Position. Here, I choose none, but as per your convenience, you can choose inside, after, before title. Click on the blog. Here, blog archive settings and single post settings are available. Click on a single post. If you observe, for structure, featured image, title, and blog meta are visible. For meta, category, publish date, comments are visible. Observe our blog post page, blog title, and below the title, category, publish date, comments are present. As per your convenience, select the eye icon in the post settings for which you want to display. Unselect the eye icon for which you want to hide. Don't forget to click on Publish button. Click on Blog Archive, same as above. If you observe, for post structure, featured image, title, and blog meta are visible. For meta, comments, category, author are visible. Observe our Blog Archive page, blog title, and below the title, comments, category, author are present. As per your convenience, select the eye icon in the Blog Archive settings for which you want to display. Unselect the eye icon for which you want to hide. Post content. Here, select excerpt. Otherwise, the whole post will appear on the archive page. This is a mandatory setting. Click on Publish button. How to use Customize Sidebar Settings. Click on the sidebar. Here, sidebar settings are available for default layouts, pages, blog posts, archives. You can select the left sidebar or right sidebar or none. You can also adjust the sidebar width from here. As per your convenience, make the sidebar changes, and after completion, click on Publish button. how to use Customize Footer Builder settings. Click on Footer Builder. From here, you can make changes to the footer as per your requirement, including social icons. Once you satisfy with the changes, click on Publish button. How to use customized performance settings. Click on Performance. There is no important thing to change here. Click on Site Identity. This already you changed in the above sections. If not, you can change the site title and site logo from here. Click on Menus. If you want to add any primary menu or footer menu or any other menus, you can create from here. After creating, don't forget to click on Publish. Click on Widgets. By default, widgets will come with the theme. Click on Homepage Settings. How do you want to display your homepage? With the latest posts or with the static page? Select your home page, which you want to display, and select the blog posts page from here. After completion, click on Publish button. How to use, customize additional CSS settings. If you don't know coding, leave it like that. If you are a software developer like me, you can play with this by adding HTML, CSS codes. Wow, fantastic! Building a blog is as simple as that. Without any coding knowledge, you created the blog in responsive mode. That means your blog is good looking on desktop, tablet, and as well as mobile.